tell you to button your safety belt, and if you don't have it buttoned, of course at the primary phase we had parachutes. We used parachutes all the way through, advanced, and there were some bailouts. But in my case, I was well along in the flight phase of it in primary, and I forgot to fasten my seatbelt. Well, I'd had a real good ride with my instructor the day before, and we were going up again, and he wanted to show me some things, and we just got nicely out of the pattern, and he did a snap roll. Well, my legs flew off. You never saw toenails that dig into the sand. And I don't think I held it like that. Say, I never told him I had to have it on. I'll tell you that. As soon as he got settled in I buttoned that belt, that was it. I never forgot again.